Hello everybody. If you have a 997 with navigation, I've been using Crutchfield, and they have sent me 3 radios and a couple of different MOS boxes. Nothing was working. You get no sound. Everything works, reads the radio station, but you get no sound. And I guess nobody knows when you have navigation, you have a second optic cable that doesn't connect to anything. Your Porsche will not play sound. It will not turn on its amplifier until it knows this second optic cable is plugged in. And the way you trick it is you buy this optic loop. This is just a plug that plugs into it, and your car starts working. Everything's great now. Nobody knew it. It cost me $8. Plugged it in, started getting sound. Hope this helps anybody with a Porsche 911 if you have navigation. Thank you. Bye.